Unfortunately, before this big ridge set up, we had a system come right through here, and now it's picking up all this Gulf moisture and heading up along the east coast. A classic nor'easter, as it looks like it's going to progress up through the Carolinas on Wednesday, and then Thursday pull just off the coast, and it looks like it's going to pull in a lot of heavy moisture in off the Atlantic Ocean and enough warm air to change initial snow in Philadelphia, New York, and even Boston over to rain, and then it may go back to snow before it ends Thursday night and Friday. So the whole 9 yards. Where it may stay all snow is back here in the mountains of West Virginia, particularly central Pennsylvania, upstate New York, and interior New England. Those are the areas that may stay all heavy wet snow, and we could be talking about maybe a couple of feet of accumulation before all is said and done. And this would be that heavy wet cement snow, the stuff you don't want to go out and shovel, not the dry, fluffy, powdery snow that you can blow off pretty easily. This may be very, very heavy. If you have a heart ailment or you may be a little out of shape, maybe even if you're in shape, don't go out and try to shovel all this. It could be a real problem. Rain farther south, some of it very heavy. We've had reports right now, and we'll tell you more about this in a bit. Tallahassee has had somewhere between 6 and 7 inches of rain this evening, a lot of that falling in the last 6 hours. So they've had all kind of flooding problems there, and that's still going on with flood warnings in effect. Temperatures overnight tonight, cold in the northeast, and again, just cold enough, highs in the 30s here for some heavy wet snow, particularly from just west of the coast on back into the mountains. Look at the warmth, though. Front range of the Rockies and the southwest, southern California, southwest Arizona, looking great. Cold air hangs on as our storm winds up and really spins around here off the northeast coast. But springtime is coming in a little bit early over the deep south and none too soon for a lot of folks on into Sunday. As far as precipitation, again, a rain up to about southern Jersey, then a mix of rain and snow, then maybe going back to all snow. It's inland areas that may get the heavy wet snow and a lot of wind with it too on Friday. New system crosses into the Rockies and then slowly pulls out into the plains by Sunday. We'll check out the West Coast forecast.